Hi everyone, you all. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP. Thank you for support. Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you. Okay, thank you for liking these videos as well. Thank you. Give a quick like to this video if you don't mind. It helps the algorithm. So yeah, XRP is doing everything that's anticipated. You ran into a resistance. You're rolling back to a key level support. It's a bit chip chop sideways at the moment. I do think you're putting in 5 ways to the downside. I think that you're in a technical target of 76 cents, which is the bear pennant target. Sorry, you know, this trend line. You're broken out of this level of support, and you're technically on your way down there. Now, equally, you know what's interesting here is if you didn't catch the Bitcoin 4 experiment that I did yesterday, do take a look at that particular video, okay? Because it's quite interesting. Because I think, you know, I can call where the bottom is here for XRP, and I'm going to nail it, hopefully, which would be amazing. Okay, I'm going to call the bottom here, and I'm going to call 76 cents by a particular time, and then I'm going to call your breakout target as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to come to that assumption right here for XRP, and obviously crypto and Bitcoin and all that, if you pay attention to them videos right now. So look, there's a tool here on the third column down. Okay, you go to the third column down, it's called trend-based fib time. Now what I'm going to do for past performance, not necessarily past performance guarantees future results, but I'm just going to show you a bit of confluence right here for XRP. So from this high just here to this low, let's get this knob on for you, to this high, which is just here, ignore that wick. Okay, this is your high just there. That's your high when you started to roll over, because you had that corrective wave high and then you rolled. Do you see that? So you can see pretty much that you bottomed out down here, and then you started to pick up on the 0382. Do you see this? So you bottomed, you start to pick up, boom, 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 on the 0382, which is this red band on the trend-based fib time. Do you see that? And that is pretty much where Bitcoin bottomed and picks out as well, on the 0382, if you watch the Bitcoin experiment video that I did yesterday. And you can see that pretty much, you know, within this band here, this is where XRP actually went on into the band, and it gave you the projection of the top of this impulsive wave, which you were in. Okay, do you remember that? I gave you this impulsive wave up here to 199 off this corrective and impulsive wave, which was being formed. And right now I'm giving you $4.50 off this particular corrective impulsive wave, which is being formed here as well. So what I'm going to do is show you when potentially we could be at 450 and when we could be lowing out here for XRP using the same trend-based fib time, basically. Okay, so this is playing out like a T on Bitcoin, and I do expect so far, you know, there's a bit of confluence here with XRP as well. So basically, again, from the high, let's get this knob on for you. So from this high, this is all a thought experiment, by the way. Nothing, anything, everything I do on this channel is experimental and thought experiments, and nothing is set in stone. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. So for me, this is your low here for XRP, and this is your high, you know, because that's you come up there and you've corrected and you've had that actual high just there. So yeah, you're looking at the 2nd of October being your low, basically, for XRP, and I do think that you'll be putting in your $4.50 by at least minimal 27th of December, based off what we've just gone through there, that trend-based fib time, where we actually got to this impulsive wave. Once we load out down here, start to low out on the 0382, start to pick up, we actually got to the impulsive wave on just after that blue band, wasn't it? So at the earliest, the absolute earliest you can get to a $4.50 for XRP here is the 27th of December 2021. If you go for a very similar scenario here, where you actually break out here, you form your low on the 0382 on the 2nd of October, you start to come up, create a beautiful reversal pattern, start to break out, start to come up here. You know, potentially this is where you could be putting in this $4.50 up here by the end of the year, basically, for XRP. So that's what I'm looking at. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. If we go for a very similar scenario as what we did here, and it is all about holding support. Okay, so yeah, I mean the 2nd of October is a very crucial date for me. I'm looking at across the board. I'm looking at it on Bitcoin as well, and I do think, you know, if you look at this, it's a bit of a crossroads on this falling wedge just here. Look, falling wedge, boom, 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 boom. Come down to technical target. Look where we are on that particular crossroads. Look, it's not only the support line of the rising falling wedge, sorry, but it's the support line of this whopping horizontal that you're in for XRP. So that could be a really, really crucial date here, the 2nd of October, which is a week tomorrow. You could be putting in the low down here of 76 cents for XRP. At that point, that could be your absolute low before you come up, make a higher low, some kind of reversal pattern breaking out of the falling wedge, which gives you a technical target to retrace where you form the wedge, equally breaking out of this horizontal. And at that point, you know, you're starting to march onwards and upwards to our projections up here at $4.50 minimal for XRP by at least this blue band. Do you see that? Because that's what you did here. I've just shown you. Okay, so it's all about support and resistance. If you can continue to hold support moving forward and break resistance and hold and backtest that as support, you're looking for continuation until you're not. So that's basically a little thought experiment on XRP today for you. You can see you've run into the resistance of this falling wedge just here, and with that you're potentially falling lower. You know, like I said to you, chip chop sideways. I think you've got 1 2 3 4 5 waves coming down. 1 2 3 4 5 waves down, complete rollover, high low, break out this trend line just here towards, you know, the 11th 12th of October, but that's what we're looking at. Breakout, boom, retrace, breakout, boom, $4.50 minimal by the end of the year here for XRP. Okay, and at that point people will think that the bull market's over here for Bitcoin, for crypto, sorry, but I don't necessarily think it will be. I think that we'll have a small retracement, and then we're going to sort of have a continuation of the bull market here for crypto as well. So that's basically XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bit of a thought experiment, bit different today. Take care everyone, back soon with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.